In this video, we'll demonstrate how to disable and remove Incognito Mode from Google Chrome, and we'll also show you how to re-enable it if you change your mind. But before we dive into these steps, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're interested in enhancing your Chrome browsing experience. Your feedback in the comments below helps us create better content for you. Let's get started with the process of removing Incognito Mode. Press the Windows key and the R button simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Alternatively, you can search for Run and find it there. In the Run dialog, type regedit and click OK. This will open the Windows Registry Editor. In the Registry Editor, navigate to HeyK Local Machine by expanding the folders using the arrows. Scroll down and find the Software folder and expand it. Locate the Policies folder below Software and expand it. Right-click on the Policies folder. Go to New and select Key. Name this key Google. Right-click on the Google key and create a new key named Chrome. Inside the Chrome key, right-click, create a new DORD 32-bit value and name it Incognito Mode Availability. Double-click on Incognito Mode Availability, change its value data to 1, and click OK. Close the Registry Editor. To apply the changes, restart your computer. Now, Incognito Mode has been disabled, and Chrome won't open in Incognito Mode. If you decide to re-enable Incognito Mode, follow these steps. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and click OK to open the Registry Editor. Navigate back to HeyK Local Machine and expand the folders to reach the Google key under Policies. Right-click on the Google key and delete it. Confirm the deletion. Close the Registry Editor. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Your Chrome browser should now have Incognito Mode available again. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement inspires us to create more content like this. For additional tutorials and helpful information, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching and enjoy your enhanced Chrome browsing experience.